Hello, in our previous video, I elaborated more about factorization method for solving quadratic equations. This is our second example. So we find factors of 21, and factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, and 21. Now from these factors, we aim at getting a product of negative 21 and a sum of this negative 4. So the product, we can get it from 3 and 7, but one of them should be a negative for us to get a negative 21. 3 times 7. And what determines the negative is this sum. Now since the sum is negative 4, now when we make the 3 negative, it will give us positive 4. So we are supposed to make the 7 negative for us to get a negative 4. That will be 3 plus negative 7, giving us negative 4. So these are the factors we are going to use. And like in the previous video, we substituted in these factors in our terms. So x squared plus, in brackets, 3 plus negative 7x plus 3 times negative 7 equaling to 0. I'm using plus because these negatives are already catered for within the factors. So this will be x squared plus 3x minus 7x, then plus 3 times negative 7 equaling to 0. We pair these two and also pair this. So for the first pair, the common term is x, and you are left with x plus 3. Then for this, the common term is negative 7. Because here you have minus 7 and also you have a minus 7 there. So it will be minus 7 into, we are left with x plus 3. And as I said, this bracket should be the same as that bracket. And we can now factorize it out. And we are left with x minus 7 equaling to 0. So at this point is when we say either this bracket is equal to 0 for us to get a 0, or this bracket is the one which is a 0 for us to get a product of 0. So that will be either x plus 3 is equal to 0, which gives us x to be negative 3, or x minus 7 equals to 0, which gives us x to be 7. So these are the two solutions to that quadratic equation. Thank you.